Are you looking to create your own breakthroughs? Well, today, that's what we're going to talk about. Amanda here from createyourfuture.co. So today we're going to talk about how you can create a breakthrough for yourself. And I've also got a little exercise to help you be able to do that. So if you haven't already subscribed, definitely subscribe, hit the bell icon below, because I do put out new videos every Sunday, Wednesday, and Friday. Each one of them designed to help you create something wonderful in your life. And also as well, email coaching is now available. Definitely check out the description is in the the details are in the description below. Wow. Talk much? Only all day. Okay, anyway, let's talk about how to have a breakthrough. So having a breakthrough is really cool. So how we have a breakthrough is by transforming our complaints into positive intentions. I don't know if you guys seen on my channel a while back, I posted how I manifested the impossible. And basically I did this exercise that I'm going to give you. I took one of my complaints and I changed it into a positive intention. Okay. So my complaint is that I always had to pay for parking, and parking was expensive. And that just really honestly annoyed me and irked me. And so I was like, well, to create a breakthrough with that, I changed it into a positive intention saying, I intend to always get free parking. And then sure enough, you know what? I ended up getting free parking. Either people would give me their parking ticket, or I'd find the free spot, or there'd be money left on the meter. Just a whole array of things. The parking thing would be broken and they'd say, don't pay for parking. Like, you name it, it would show up. So that's how we get a breakthrough, is by transforming a complaint into a positive intention. And that's exactly how we cause ourselves to create our own breakthroughs. So I have an exercise that you can try. Write down one complaint that you have in your life, whether it be free parking, or that there's a lineup at Starbucks, or anything, okay? Anything at all. Make it something not such a huge deal. Like, parking irked me, but it wasn't like the end of the world, okay? It wasn't something that I really was attached to. It was just like, So something, that one complaint that you have, okay? So now take that complaint and change it into a positive intention. So for instance, an example would be that parking is always really expensive. So we change that into, I intend to always get free parking. Or let's say, one of your complaints is that there's always a huge lineup at Starbucks. Change that into, nobody's ever at Starbucks when I go there. Starbucks is always empty when I go to Starbucks, okay? So change your complaint into something positive, okay? Let's say there's never parking when I go to Costco. Change it to, there's always parking when I go to Costco, okay? Whatever it is, change it into a positive intention. Now, for the next week, okay, whenever that comes up, okay, change it into a positive intention. So let's use the parking one. So whenever you're thinking about parking, you having to pay for parking, say to yourself, no, I intend to get free parking. There's free parking everywhere, okay? And avoid complaining to people about paying for parking, okay? Either say, I always get free parking, or don't say anything at all, okay? And for the next week or two, just be really aware to change, to avoid complaining about whatever your complaint is, and always say the positive intention. And a few times a day, reaffirm it. I always get free parking, or Starbucks is always empty, and watch and see what happens, okay? You'll find that you will get free parking. You'll find that Starbucks is empty. You'll find that there's always parking in the Costco parking lot, because that's how it works. What we consciously choose to focus on, our subconscious mind will create for us. We say, oh, there's never any parking in Starbucks. Your subconscious mind is like, okay, boys, fill the parking lot. And if you decide to consciously choose that there's always a parking, and you always have plenty of parking at Costco, all of a sudden your subconscious mind says, okay, clear it out, clear it out. So we really do create with our conscious thoughts, and what we consciously choose to focus on, we will get. So anyways, yeah. So that is how you cause yourself a breakthrough, is by taking one of your complaints, changing it into a positive intention, and then reaffirming it and focusing on that positive intention for the next week or two, and see what happens. Anyways, yes, and please, you know what? If you do this exercise, go on to Create Your Future with Amanda Law of Attraction Hacks on the Facebook group and post your success story. I'd love to hear it and see it there. Okay, anyways. Thank you guys so much for liking, sharing, commenting, subscribing. You guys are all absolutely amazing. So create something wonderful. Bye-bye.